The clouds they all have lifted, the sun is shining in, the trees are all a whispering, they're dancing in the wind. Whoa.
What I enjoy most about my job is that I get to know a lot of different people, and of course, I enjoy the company of our team, my team.
I love everything about my job. Being with this team, I felt like I always belong.
We've only just begun. Let's live out.
What made me stay here is that I would say the people, of course, and the accessible facilities that we have here in the company.
The reason why I stayed with Accenture is because of the inclusivity.
I've come ashore. I know just what I'm seeking. No more gold.
Inclusive workplace for me is a workplace where everyone feels safe, seen, and connected, where everyone is given an opportunity to shine through technology especially.
But there's nowhere in the world like being right here by your side.
The moment I met Sir Rudy Giao, it was actually unexpected. It was an event organized by a Sikat community in Cyberpark back in March. They were highlighting the tech tools that we have here for PWDs. So I was just in the corner, I was just watching them. And then suddenly, Sir Rudy Giao approached me and then handed me his calling card and then told me, send me an email. Send ka ng email sa akin. We can talk about your motorized wheelchair. And then when I heard that, I really felt excited.
Out loud, at the tops of our lungs, let's live out loud.
One thing that I love about the work that we do in Accenture is that each day is different. Each day is an opportunity for us to humanize technology. Every encounter that I have, especially with the work that we do in the Accessibility Center, when we see that our lives get transformed, it's always a wonderful, very fulfilling day for us.
Let's live out loud.
To be curious. Being curious will actually help you determine what are the things that you can share together with your colleagues.
Align the work that you do to your passion and to your purpose, because that will make you feel that it's not a work for you every time you come to Accenture.
We could cross the deepest oceans just like skipping.
Of course, my wheelchair. Because having this wheelchair makes my life, of course, more easier because I can, move around in the mall, syempre, here in the office. So it's more convenient for me. And I would also like to highlight the automatic doors that we have for majority of our sites that we have now. And I would also like to mention adjustable tables that we have for some of the Accenture sites.
My favorite accessibility tool is the Smart Cane. The first time I ever saw it, I was like, oh, we're like in the future. Imagine your cane advising you where to go. It's so cool.
Stars that lit the skies, but there's nowhere in the world like being right.
Well, by continuously nurturing, by providing trainings, for me, mentorship is one of the most important thing.
We've only just begun. Let's live out loud. 'Cause
You can shine a light on disability inclusion by raising awareness regarding PWDs or persons with disabilities.
You can shine a light on disability inclusion by starting with yourself.
You can shine a light on disability inclusion by recognizing and celebrating the uniqueness of each individual.
I've seen the deepest canyons under stars.
For persons without disability, technology can make things easier. But for persons with disability, technology can make things possible.
Inclusion starts with I.
Disability should not be a hindrance to your success.
We've only just begun. Let's live out